Google's prominent Pixel smartphones are pretty famous for their outstanding performance. For example, you can take the Google Pixel 7, which is currently one of the best Android smartphones in the market. They didn't make massive hardware improvements, instead, they came up with the best software upgrade. Now Google is planning to come up with a foldable lineup which has been long rumored, and it will be a head-to-head competitor of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Anyway, recent leaks even increased the hype even more than we expected, so let's see what the leaks suggest. This year, we did not see any official news from Google, which actually raised a question about whether Google is planning to make its own foldable smartphone or not. Even if they have a plan, what will be the design and more importantly, how much will it cost? Well, to save the day, Front Page Tech, the popular YouTube channel, shared the rendered design that gives us new hope and the first major glimpse of what we can expect from the upcoming Pixel Fold. From what we've seen from the renders, it might differ from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and is expected to follow the path of the Oppo Find N with a wide outer display. It also might come with bigger bezels. Furthermore, the Pixel Fold is expected to be extremely heavy due to premium materials. We should say, the upcoming Pixel Fold render is pretty convincing. When it's closed, the foldable device almost looks like the Pixel 7, and from the back, it has redesigned the camera bar, which we think is similar to the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. It's not exactly a copy of the Pixel 7, but it's close to it. And the best part is, Front Page Tech is pretty confident about the renders. Anyway, the front display might come with a 9.5 megapixel punch-hole camera and the bezel will be as minimal as possible, mostly like the regular Pixel phone. Not only that, we might see another 9.5 megapixel camera when we unfold it in landscape orientation, and it will be hidden in the top bezel. Another thing worth mentioning is the bezels on the top and bottom are expected to be thicker. As for the main camera, Front Page Tech mentioned this flagship foldable smartphone could boast the same camera array as the Google Pixel 7 Pro, meaning it will have a 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto camera. Also, the Pixel Fold might come with a USB-C charging port and dual speaker, which can be found on the top and at the bottom. The fingerprint scanner could also be mounted on the side lock button, which is pretty common for every smartphone nowadays. And about the hinge, there isn't much information on the internet, unfortunately. Now, let's discuss its price. So, the upcoming Pixel Fold is expected to come with a hefty price tag. As Front Page Tech said, it will be $17.99. Regarding the release date, the Pixel Fold might come to the Surface in May 2023 alongside the Pixel tablet. In short, the design of the upcoming Pixel Fold seems pretty convincing compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, it'll be wider than other foldable smartphones, but the bezels might appear thicker. Plus, it's expected to have a similar camera setup as the Pixel 7 Pro. So, are you excited to see the Pixel Fold? Please let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.